Hi, I'm Kate. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna paint some pumpkins. Let's get started. These are the materials that we're gonna use today. All four colors that I always use: yellow, orange, blue, red. Two brushes, large and small, and ink. This little guy is my paperweight for now. Start with a large brush to make some green color with yellow and blue color. Dip some orange color at the tip, then paint some leaves. I'm adding some brown color to enhance the look of the leaves. For details of the color mixing, please click on the links under the description box. You may find some details about the paper and the color that I use. In traditional Chinese painting, you can paint pretty much everything with just ink, particularly the leaves. I've painted quite a few climbing plants with black leaves before, so if you're interested in seeing those demonstrations, please check out my other videos. And for this one, I want to make it more green. Now I'm going to paint some flowers with yellow and a dip of orange color. I know the flowers are supposed to be just in yellow, but we need some shadings to make it look more dynamic or paint more details. For this painting, the pumpkin is the hero, so I'll keep the flowers simple. And I'm gonna add a tiny fruit. Now I'm switching to use the large brush for the pumpkin. The orange color pumpkin has a yellow base and it's tilted on the pumpkin field. When you use a large brush for a slow motion on a rice paper, you may experience this as well because the rice paper is so thin that it's almost like painting on a tissue paper. You need to use the other hand to keep it straight and use a bit of trick when you paint. I'll share with you some more tips in painting Chinese watercolor in the future videos. If you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, please press the bell button and notification bell so that you don't miss out any updates. Do you know the difference between the male and female pumpkin flowers? I am painting the male flower. And there is a female flower that magically appeared on the painting, and I'm painting it. And this is the fruit from the female flower. The basic composition of this painting is done, and I am adding a bit more details on smaller vines, the stigma, and a smaller leaf here perhaps. Now I'm adding a brown tone bird perching on the pumpkin. This little guy is looking at my real pumpkin. The beak sits in dark ink, and then the body is just a fine line of lighter brown color. And the wings and tails are in dark ink. Painting the feet perching on the pumpkin is crucial. You have to wait till the pumpkin is almost dried. So is the eye. I'm going back to add some veins to the leaves. See, when it is dry, then my brush stroke will be on top of the first layer. I should have done it earlier when it's a bit wet, that it will look a little nicer. Well, it is not the end of the world. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.